Welcome back to Angie's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to log out your Mobile Legends account. Let's begin. Now, players have often multiple Mobile Legends accounts for different purposes. For example, for casual play, competitive play, practice mode, and a lot more. Now, logging out allows you to switch between these accounts. Or if you share your device with a family or friends who also play Mobile Legends, logging out enables them to access their accounts. Because when you log out of your account using a public or shared device prevents unauthorized access to your account. If you notice any suspicious activity on your account, logging out and changing your password can help secure your account. Now, once you are here on your mobile device, when you open the app, I need you to hover to the upper right corner on the cog icon settings, and from there, as you can see, there is an option that says there's no option for you to log out. Instead, you can quit games. What I will need you to do is click on your profile icon, and from here click on the account, right, and click on the account center. Now, once you do that, these are your options. You can change your Moontune password, device management, retrieve an account, cancel account, and disconnect third-party account. But of course, what you have is, now depending on the version that you're using, what I'm seeing right now on the account center is device management under account security. Click on it, and there's going to be an option that says you can log out of all devices from the game except the current one. All I have to do is click on Logout All. And what will happen is all of the account's progress on other device will be deleted, and the sign out device needs to enter Moontune account password via the third party again. All I have to do is click on Confirm. Okay? And that's it. You're already signed out of your account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.